This is my family's property. It's only 4 acres, but it butts up to a bunch of farms and bank-owned land that I've hunted for years. Anyway, there's a giant, look at this oak tree. The thing is a monster. And he's 4 foot thick. I'm 25 foot, so I'm at 30. Look. There's a old trailer there that's abandoned. Me and my wife's been trying to buy it off of the rest of my family, my sisters. We're trying to buy the land that butts up to the back of this. It's 3 acres, nearly. And the owner is some more of my family. But I figured I'd come back here and scout around, see what I could see. And there's a deer. Dang. I'm standing right out in the open too. It'll be gone when it notices me. Oh, there's 2. Just one. Oh, I don't want to move too much. Oh wow. Last year I hunted out here multiple times and never seen nothing. Uh-oh. I think they seen me or heard me. Or as long as I know they're here.